Hey guys, now here's the third way, taking a percent to a fraction and a decimal. So to take the percent to a decimal, you're going to divide the decimal by 100. So you're going to do 75 divided by 100. Remember the decimal is here. And then it becomes 75 hundredths. Basically, you just have to move the decimal from the back and move it to the left twice. Because now you are dividing it but not multiplying it. To change it to the fraction, you're going to write the percent over 100 and simplify it. Easy as that. So 20%, 20 over 100, simplifies down to 1/5. So let's flip our paper over and do some of the practice together. Here's our first one. We have 40%. So to change it to a fraction, again, we're going to put it over 100. So 40 over 100. And then we need to simplify it to 4/10, which finally simplifies to 2/5. If we say this as a decimal of percent, it's 40%. We divide it by 100, so you take your 40, move your decimal back to the left twice, and you get 40 hundredths or 4/10. Either one of those would be correct. 4/10 is probably better, not the extra zero, but either one would be correct. For this next one, we have 55%, so 55 hundredths. Simplifies down, divide both by 5 to 11/20. Then we have 55%, move your decimal back to the left, and you have 55 hundredths as your decimal. Try the next on your own and then come back to the video and let's see how you do. So hopefully you've done the last two, and let's change this 3% to a fraction. So it's going to be 3 hundredths. 3%, always over 100, 3 hundredths. So then we're going to change 3%, move our decimal to the left twice because we're dividing it by 100, get in a decimal or a zero as a placeholder, and we have 3 hundredths as our decimal. 98%, we're going to do 98 over 100, which simplifies down, divided by 2 to 49/50. Then to a percent, we're going to move our decimal to the left and get 98 hundredths. So I hope you have now learned how to change a percent to a fraction and a decimal. Now go ahead and do some of the practice on your own.